Hey guys, MD here. How's everyone doing tonight? Hopefully fine. See you in about a half hour on live. Had a mail call today and like, what the heck? So it's like, open up the package and you guys want to see what it was? What? A ZMR 250 frame. Check that out. Very, very, very nice. Now you guys want to know who sent this to me? You guys know him. At least I hope you know him. You better know him, actually. And what do you think? Let's think a little bit. They just bought it and sent it to me. Just, hey, bam, there it is. So, yep. The old cat. Thank you, big brother. You're awesome, man. So, we'll see. What will MD build out of this? I know something else I need to say. Ay. Things come together. So yeah. Thank you, Neil. You're awesome, brother. Really appreciate you.